Hello and welcome to Everwell Chair Yoga. This gentle practice is perfect for seniors and beginners, helping you move safely, breathe deeply, and feel your best. Go at your own pace, listen to your body, and let's enjoy this moment together. Before we begin our warm-ups, make sure that we have the correct seated posture, which is the seated mountain pose. Try to sit comfortably, rocking back and forth to find your sitting bones. Your knees are 2 feet width apart. Your chin is parallel to the floor and straight. Then press your feet firm onto the floor. Let's begin by inhaling into the nose and exhaling out of the mouth. Perfect. Let's do this 3 more times. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Keep going. Inhale, exhale. Now let's begin the head roll. Turn right, center, and left. Right, center, and left. Keep breathing. Right, center, and left. 2 more times. Right, center, and left. Now relax. Breathe. Look up. Center, chin down. Center, look up. Center, chin down. Let's do this 3 more times. Look up, center, chin down. 1 more time. Look up, center, chin down. Let's pause for a while we begin stretching our arms. Let's stretch our arms. Palms up, palms down, relax. 1 more time. Stretch, palms up, palms down, relax. 3 more. Stretch, palms up, palms down, relax. 1 more time. Palms up, palms down, relax. And don't forget to breathe while you are doing the stretching of the arms. Let's do this again. Don't forget to breathe deeply. I know that your arms are burning, but just keep going. If there's any pain, you can stop or slow down. No pressure. Start at your own pace. How are you guys doing so far? Let's begin the sideways stretch of the arms. Moving the arms back and forth, then relax. Let's do this 3 more times. Don't forget to breathe deeply, slowly. Your arms are probably burning, but just keep on going. Let's keep going, guys. Stretch the arms sideways, forward, sideways, then relax. Breathe. Start again. Do this 2 more times. 1 last time. Good job, guys. Gently put your left arms above the head, tilt it, and breathe. Release. Now let's do the right arms. Tilt. Make sure you count 1, 2, 3, 4 before you release. Another one. Left. Tilt. 1, 2, 3, 4 and release. Last one. Right arms. Tilt the head. Count 1, 2, 3, 4. Then release. Hand exercise is important, so let's start with the wrist. clasp the hands together and begin rotating, counting 1 to 8. Then reverse 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's repeat this again. On the other side, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Reverse 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Let's stretch the arms forward, opening and closing our hands and counting 1 to 8. There's a modified version, and you can hold your elbow while the other arm is stretching, closing and opening the hand, and vice versa. If this is too much, you can stop, pause, and relax for a while. Let's do this one more time. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Wow, that's amazing. Let's begin the heel toe exercise. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's start the left one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's important to count. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You're doing great. Okay, let's do them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's stretch the right leg. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now there's a modified version of this one, and that is you can hold your hand underneath the legs while doing the ankle rotation. Now let's do the left side. 1, 2, 3. Now let's do the ankle rotation. That would be the next one. Stretch, hold. If it's burning, you can hold it. 2, 3, 4, and then reverse the ankle. And then relax. Great job. Now let's do some meditation and relaxation. Breathe deeply and think about beautiful things. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the nose. Inhale, exhale. Let's practice gratitude. Thankful that we are still alive. Thankful that we can still exercise. Thankful that we can still see the beauty of our creation. If you like this video and you think it helps you, kindly subscribe to my channel for more videos to come. Be well, stay safe, namaste.